Hey, welcome everybody, it's Scott. People are asking me, well, how do I use the chat room for our live bidding process? Very simple. And when I mean very simple, I mean very simple. First, you go to our homepage, onewow.com. That's the numeral 1, WOW.com. On the top, you'll see your page selections right up over here. You're going to click on the live events page. When you click on that, a box will pop up on the right side, along with information about the auction on your left-hand side. Now, once you see this box, at the bottom of it, you're going to see some verbiage that says, click here to join the conversation. So let's click over there. Another box will pop up, giving you the option of logging into the chat room with either Facebook, Twitter, or a username, and the username is obtained by filling out a form, submitting it, and we will assign you a username and a password. So today we're going to use the username. Click on it. It'll ask for your username. Fill in your username. It'll ask for your password. Once you have your password, basically then just click the log on button, or log in, excuse me. It'll come up, it'll ask you if you want to invite any of your friends to participate through Facebook or through Twitter. And then, what's going to happen, once the auction starts live, basically an image will pop up. Let's use this one right here. There you'll have the image. And following the image, what will happen is that a description will follow that, along with an opening price. So basically we are asking for a $1 open on lot 1 of vintage yellow plastic taxi by Pyro. So the first bidder will enter in, down over here, 1, representing $1. And again, just for the sake of example, we're pretending these are different people. Let's say the next person jumps to $5. You can then enter $6. Next person could enter, let's say, $10. Once it hits the $10 mark, the increments that you are bidding by increase from $1 to $2 bids. And it goes all the way up to $50. Once we hit the $50 mark, bidding increments then increase to $5 per bid. So let's say we have somebody bidding $50 on this car. The next person would then have to bid $55. We give you a count basically stating going, going, gone, which means it's sold, and we will type in the appropriate bidder and the amount they bid on it, along with the lot number, to verify that they are aware that they have won. Then we move on to our next lot, so on and so forth. As I stated, extremely simple to use, very fast, and the reason we do this is because it keeps costs low, and that means it keeps our buyers' premiums low. During our live chat auctions, it's only a 10% buyer's premium. We hold our auctions on Saturday at 5 p.m., Sunday at 7 p.m., and occasionally we will do something called a pick and buy. And a pick and buy is where we actually go to an estate, go to a room in the house that the homeowners want to get rid of the items that are in that room, or a selection of the items. We actually put those up live before you. You get a chance to bid on them and perhaps walk away with some great deals. We normally do those on Wednesday around 7 p.m. or when the homeowner is available. So there you go. That's how you use it. That's how our format works. It's that simple. Hope to see you at our next auction. Stay safe. Have a great day.